The real reason you're not losing weight, and how to fix it. You're eating right, you're working out, you're trying everything. But the weight just won't come off. Sound familiar? It's frustrating, discouraging, and makes you want to give up. But here's the truth, it's not your fault. The problem isn't your diet or your workout, it's your metabolism. Hi, welcome to Fit Fuel Diaries. Ready to transform your body? Let's get started. Do you feel like no matter what you do, the weight just won't budge? Do you exercise, eat healthy, and still see little to no progress? It's not your fault. The problem might not be your effort, it might be your metabolism. Metabolism is the key to burning fat even when you're resting. The faster it is, the easier it becomes to lose weight. But if it's slow, every calorie feels like it sticks to your body. The good news? You have the power to fix it. Let's dive into simple yet powerful ways to fire up your metabolism and make your body a fat-burning machine. Start your morning right. Wake up your metabolism. Your metabolism doesn't just turn on when you eat, it needs a wake-up call. Drink warm water with lemon as soon as you wake up. It hydrates your cells and jumpstarts digestion. Move your body, stretch, do 10 jumping jacks or take a brisk walk. Get your blood pumping. Have green tea or black coffee. Both contain compounds that increase fat burning and energy levels. Eat more to burn more. Yes, you read that right. Skipping meals slows metabolism. Your body thinks food is scarce and holds on to fat instead of burning it. Eat protein-packed meals. Protein requires more energy to digest, so your body burns extra calories just by eating it. Eggs, lentils, Greek yogurt, tofu, chicken, fish, snack smart. A handful of almonds or a boiled egg between meals keeps your metabolism steady. Never skip breakfast. A healthy breakfast tells your body, hey, we've got fuel, let's burn fat. Strength training, the ultimate metabolism booster. Cardio is great, but muscle is the secret weapon. Why? Muscles burn calories even when you're resting. Hydration, your secret fat-burning weapon. Think of water as fuel for your metabolism. When you're dehydrated, your body burns fewer calories. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Herbal teas like green tea and ginger tea boost metabolism naturally. Cold water can actually make your body burn extra calories to warm it up. Every sip of water takes you one step closer to your weight loss goal. Fix your sleep, burn fat while you rest. If you sleep less than 6 hours, your metabolism drops and fat-storing hormones rise. Your body starts holding on to fat instead of burning it. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Blue light messes up sleep hormones. Magnesium-rich foods like bananas, nuts, and dark chocolate help relax your body for better sleep. Sleep is not laziness. It's a fat-burning strategy. Spice it up. Use food to boost your metabolism. Want to burn more calories while eating? Add metabolism-boosting foods to your diet. Spicy foods like chili peppers contain capsaicin, which increases fat burning. Garlic and ginger improve digestion and keep metabolism steady. Apple cider vinegar can help reduce fat storage and keep hunger in check. Final words, you have the power to change. If you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or hopeless about weight loss, I want you to remember one thing. Your metabolism is in your hands. You don't need fancy diets, you don't need extreme workouts, you just need consistent small changes that will make a huge difference over time. Drink water, eat protein, lift weights, sleep well, move your body. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Your body is capable of incredible things, you are capable of incredible things. Which metabolism-boosting tip are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Fit Fuel Diaries for more life-changing health tips.